Welcome back to BizTales, your go-to channel for smart methods to increase your wealth and create the life you desire. In today's video, we'll discuss something that I'm sure many of you are fascinated about. Passive income. It's a dream, right? Making money while sleeping, rather of always working for it. But here's the thing. It isn't simply a dream. With the appropriate techniques, you can make it happen in 2024. And today, we'll look at the top 5 passive income ideas that truly work, as well as a bonus tip to help you take it to the next level. No, 1. Dividend stocks. Let's start with dividend stocks. I know what you're thinking. Stocks might be daunting. But let me explain why dividend stocks are one of the simplest and most consistent strategies to generate passive income. Consider owning a little portion of a large firm. When the company does well, they will pay you a percentage of its profits. Dividends are paid out on a regular basis, usually quarterly. So every few months, you receive a check simply for keeping on to your shares. It's a terrific way to earn a constant income, and if you choose the proper firms, it can increase over time. You don't have to be a stock market guru to get started. Begin with companies known for stability and long-term growth, such as Johnson & Johnson, Coca-Cola, and Procter & Gamble. These firms have a track record of not only paying dividends, but raising them year after year. Over time, you will not only profit from dividends, but also from the possible stock price increase. It is a win-win situation. #2 Real Estate Investment Trusts, REITs. Next up are real estate investment trusts, or REITs. Real estate is one of the most effective ways to accumulate money. But let's face it, not everyone has the funds or time to own and manage physical assets. That is where real estate investment trusts come in. They allow you to invest in real estate without having to worry about tenants, renovations, or even property management. This is how it works. REITs are companies that own and finance real estate. When you invest in a real estate investment trust, you are purchasing a portion of a property portfolio. These can include office buildings, shopping malls, and housing complexes. The beautiful thing about REITs is that they pay out the majority of their earnings in dividends, which can be higher than those paid by equities. And the best part? You do not need to be a real estate specialist to participate. REITs are traded on the stock exchange alongside conventional equities, making them easy to acquire and sell. Plus, you may get started for as little as a few $100. Whether you're an experienced investor or just getting started, REITs offer a low-risk approach to diversify your real estate portfolio. #3 Peer-to-peer lending. All right, let's speak about something a little different. Peer-to-peer lending, or P2P lending. This one's for people who wish to make money by lending it out. You can accomplish this by using internet platforms that connect borrowers and lenders, eliminating the traditional bank intermediary. This is how it works. You loan money to individuals or small enterprises, and they repay you with interest. The platforms often allow you to select the type of loan you wish to invest in, such as personal loans, company loans, or even school loans. And because these platforms have smaller overhead expenses than banks, they frequently provide larger returns. Now, P2P lending is riskier than stocks or REITs, since the borrower may be unable to repay you. However, you can lower risk by diversifying, that is, lending to multiple borrowers rather than putting all of your money into one loan. By doing so, you spread the risk and raise your chances of getting a good return on investment. 4. High-interest savings accounts and CDs. Okay, this one may seem basic, but hear me out. High-interest savings accounts and CDs. When most people think about passive income, they see sophisticated investments. However, often the simplest solutions are the best. High-yield savings accounts and certificates of deposit, or CDs, currently offer higher interest rates than they have in years. If you keep your money in one of these accounts, it will increase over time without you needing to do anything. And it's low risk. A high-yield savings account allows you to access your money whenever you need it, whereas a CD locks your money in for a defined period, typically 6 months to 5 years, in exchange for a higher interest rate. If you don't want to take on too much risk, this is an excellent option. You can earn more than you would in a traditional savings account, and it's a secure and dependable method to increase your passive income. 5. Sell digital products. Finally, let's speak about one of my favorite topics, selling digital products. This is an excellent approach to convert your knowledge or creativity into a reliable source of passive income. Consider this. Once you've created a digital product, such as an ebook, an online course, or even design templates, You can sell it to a limitless number of people with no more effort on your part. Here is the beauty of it. You develop the product once and it continues to sell. You make money every time someone buys your stuff. Depending on what you have to offer, you can sell on platforms such as Gumroad, Teachable, or Etsy. This works for people in a variety of areas, including teaching, photography, fitness, and design. It takes some initial effort to develop the product, but once it's available, it's essentially entirely hands-off. Plus, digital products do not require inventory or shipping, making them one of the most scalable income sources available. Bonus tip: combining multiple streams for maximum results. Here's a tiny extra tip. Combine various streams of passive income. Don't rely on a single strategy. Stack them. Consider generating dividends from stocks, rental income from REITs, and royalties on your digital items all at once. The more income streams you have, the more stable your financial situation. Furthermore, having many sources of income makes it much easier to build wealth. So there you have it. 5 effective strategies to create passive income in 2024, plus a bonus tip to help you increase your revenue. Which one are you most eager about trying? Leave a comment below to let me know. If you found this video useful, please subscribe so that you can receive the most recent financial success advice and techniques. Thank you for watching BizTales. I will see you in the next video.